Blondie! Blondie, come here. Come here! Come here!
You run around. I'll throw the ball for you.
Come on. You're as fluffy as I am. Oh, don't try to grab me. Wait, yeah. That works. See it? Blondie, wrong way.
I don't care. I'm going over here.
Wrong way. Blondie. ADD. Blondie, come here. No, don't leave us. Oh, yeah.
You got food.
I love you. Oh, I got slobber all over my fingers now.
I love you. Oh man, I love you.
You're my best friend.
You'll try to touch me.
Oh, whoops, I didn't know you were there.
I think she'd follow you around the world for that.
Feeding the dog.
Where'd her ball go?
I think she left it over there.
No, you gotta reach for it.